gentlemen, announcing the arrival, the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. As Jr.
Pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Hayang matinig sa sinalanan, hanap ng puso sa limoy buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyat na ng magiting, sa manluluming, di na masisingin, sa nagalang tutong sa simoy at sa langit kong mga kailanang tula at awit sa pagkayang ginama.
Thank you, sir.
Recommend that they be declared graduates effective this day.
By the authority vested in me as the Commander of Training Command, Philippine Army, I hereby declare all 326 members of Philippine Army Officer Candidate Course, Bumanawag, Class 63-25, as graduates effective this day. Congratulations.
Thank you very much to the commanders of the leader. Thank you, sir. Maglingkod sa Bayan Class of 2025. May request or